Hello dear friends, today we came up with another unique and simple business idea which can be started from 50,000 rupees to 200,000 rupees. We named this business Aesthetics so that we can target nature loving people of the marketplace. Moreover, this idea of business is not taken as a risk-free business. We will tell you people the most easy ways of doing this profitable business and also tell you how you can reduce the risk of losses and can utilize the wastage into profitable products again. From this business, you can generate employment for more than 3 people and even these employees will not increase the expenses of your business. Our today's business plan is to open a flower shop. People may think how we can sell all these flowers daily. What will you do with those flowers which cannot be sold? How can you increase the sale of flower shop? How much profit we can take from this risky business? Perishable goods are not favorable for business. These little and confusing questions must be causing hurdle in your mind to start this business, but with little research, these questions not only can be solved but also create an opportunity for entrepreneurs to start unique practices to excel in this field. Our this business plan will revolve around these problems and will give you a very unique solution to all of these problems. The main features of this business will be maximum daily sale expectation, methods of increasing sale, methods of increasing shelf life of flowers, utilization of unsold flowers and margin of losses and profit. So guys, let's start with maximum daily sale expectation. Field picked flower or raw flower are available at very low cost. Even you can purchase these flowers on weight basis at very low price. Flowers after all very little value added activity can be sold very costly. Even 5 to 7% of flowers after making them into different presentable products not only covers the cost of flowers but also produces 15% more profit than the price of field picked flowers. So if you purchase 40 kg flowers daily and manages to sell only 4 to 5 bouquets, you can cover all your cost and produce 15% of profit on this marginal sale. So guys, second major step is methods of increasing sale. 5 to 7% of sale is enough to cover all expenses and low margin of profit, but an entrepreneur always finds new ways to maximize profitability. For flower shop, different occasions and days can help you to increase the sale, such as Mother's Day celebrations. Special Mother Day celebrations can be cashed by offering different bouquets. Father's Day with proper advertisement, people always come to you to take flowers for special days for their loved ones. Valentine's Day, whole month of February can be cashed by increasing the sale of flower in the form of your special Valentine's Day offers. People can take jewelry for their women for expressing their love and respect. Flowers can be used to design the bridal rooms. Flowers can be used to design the birthday party. Flowers can be used to design the cars. Flowers can be used in different religious occasions. Even flowers can be used at deaths and in graveyards. All you have to do is to launch a comprehensive advertisement campaign by using social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. So now you guys might be thinking how to increase shelf life of flowers. Different easy techniques can be used to increase the shelf life of flowers even more than 1 week after picking them from field, like preserving flowers in clustering, using silica gel to preserve flowers, preserving flowers with paraffin wax, keeping flowers in simple water, keeping flowers in cooler atmosphere. So now you guys might be thinking what we'll do of flowers which cannot be sold. The unsold flowers can be used further with the following things. Rose water. Rose water can be extracted from dry rose petals. Jasmine water, unsold and dry flowers can be extracted to get the jasmine water which can be used as perfume and also can be used clinically for different purposes. Even rose jam or gulkand can be made from rose petals. With these practices, you can utilize each and every petal of flowers and get more and more profit. What will be the margin of losses and profit with all these practices described earlier by us? There is no margin of loss. You can maximize profits by hiring most professional people who can decorate the bridal rooms and birthday parties, so that you can create more and more loyal customers and positive word of mouth so that people attract towards your business place. A general statistics of this business are: rent of shop 20,000 rupees, salesman on shop 12,000 rupees, commission of the bridal room decorator 40% of the sale, price per 40 kg of flower 5,000 rupees, price of one bouquet 700 rupees, price of bridal room decoration 10 to 30,000 rupees, Price of car decoration 10 to 20,000 rupees. Price of flower jewelry 500 to 2,000 rupees. Price of 1 liter rose water 250 rupees. Price of 1 liter jasmine water 400 rupees. Lump sum total expense of the month 60,000 rupees. Lump sum total sale of the month 120,000 rupees. Total profit of the month after deducting 60,000 rupees from total sale of the month, you get a net profit of 60,000 rupees within first month of your investment. So guys, this is how you can channelize your investment through proper business methods. We'll tell more unique and simple business ideas in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.